£55 I bid then at 45. 50 with you, so 55. 55 I bid then at 60, do I see? At 55 I bid. Now what is it? 55 here then with you, selling at 55.
£55. It's wiped its face, don't worry. No pain, no gain, no shame. Now, you've got right foot, right?
Yes.
Here it comes.
I'm bidding £18 for Boundies. £18 I bid 20, 22, 25, 28. 28, 30.
Really?
30 bid now, £30 I bid at 30. Just for the pair of them, remember. 32 with internet. At £32 I bid at 32. You're out in the room and selling at 35. You bidding 35, 35. 35. I'm selling at £38 and 38 and 38. Don't wait, internet. Press the button nice and quickly at 38 and selling at 38.
32 or 40. That is 27 minus 27 max. Minus 27 is a ball.
I'd pay 40.
Now, here come the cocktail sticks.
Got an itch, Daisy.
Electroplated cocktail sticks with Cockerell terminals. Well, £2 I bid for these. £2 I bid here at £2, at £5, at £8 I bid at £10. Around 12, 15. 15 behind at 18 here with internet at 18, bid at 18, 20 new bidding at 20. £20, 20 on my left, internet's out, then you're out here at 20, I bid at 20. Selling for room at 20, 22, 25, 28, 28 on my right this time at 28.
That's £14. So good, isn't it? 4, 5, 6, 7. That's minus 13. Now, what are you going to do with the hat? You do it? Yes. You're so positive, you girls. You're so lovely. I've never seen anybody so positive about a hat pin. There's obviously something going on here. Right, we're going with the hat pin. That's the kind of time we're going with it. That's the decision. Now, you need to pay £25. I can tell you now you've decided that the auctioneer's estimate is £30. So he sees you jumbling in money, but don't you go. Okay, fine. We're going with them. Here it comes.
The white metal amethyst glass mounted hat pin, and lots of bids on the book here. Opening bid here is £35. £35 I bid.
Okay.
£35 I bid. 35 at 8 do I see. At 35 bid here, 38, 40. 40 bid now, 40 I bid at 40. Internet's winning then and selling at £40.
Well done. That's £40. I love it. That's plus £15, which means overall you're plus £2.